Hey guys, welcome back. Madhu this side, and today we are going to have a part 2 session on how can you actually generate 100 quality leads for your business using Google Ads, right? So before I dive in, I request all of you that please subscribe to our channel so that you get future notification updates. All right. In yesterday's session, we discussed the fundamentals basically, right? Okay. So, okay. First thing, when you set up a Google Search Ads campaign, right? What happens is what are the key components here? Like you have to do keyword research, then competitor research, then landing page optimization, conversion tracking, right? And today we are going to discuss that now, sir, we have set up the concepts, right? We have set up the concept of Google Ads. Now we gotta go live. So how do we go live, sir? You might be having this question, correct? Yes. So now today we are going to go live. So let's start. Let's dive in. All right. Let's go step by step. This session is going to be very long. So I suggest to all of you that please make notes, okay, so that you understand what am I telling you, and then you have to do the practical live implementation. All right. Okay, so let's get started, friends. First, open ads.google.com step by step. Then click on Start Now. Okay, so I'm gonna go from the basics here as well. Okay, I click here on Start Now. Then you have to select your manager account. Okay, so I select my manager account here as Scala Private Limited. All right, now you are on the main dashboard of Google Ads. Okay, so we have paused all the campaigns. We are going to set up a new campaign here. Okay, now then click on plus new campaign. Okay, if I'm audible in the meeting, please type yes in the YouTube live comments. Okay, if I'm audible, please type yes so that I understand that yes, I'm audible as well. Okay, and I hope everyone is going to the YouTube live session. Everyone please go to my YouTube channel and please watch the session as well. Okay, I need participation. Okay, right. Then click on plus new campaign. Okay, plus new campaign here. Okay, so now in the campaign objectives you will have a lot of objectives: sales, leads, website traffic, app promotion, awareness consideration, local store visits, or create a campaign without a goals or guidance. You might be wondering, sir, now which objective should I select if at all I want to start with Google Search Ads campaign here? Correct? So now you should first start with the campaign objective, website traffic. Okay, click on website traffic over here. Okay, website traffic campaign objective is selected. Now you can either select this conversion goals to improve your website traffic. Okay, so I believe a lot of conversion goals have been added over here. So for now we'll click on continue. Now you have to select your campaign type. Here you will have multiple options. You have search, you have performance max, you have display, you have shopping, alright, and others. Select your campaign type as search. Okay, I select yes, search. Now it is gonna tell me select the ways you like to reach your goal. So I'm gonna enter my website URL. Okay, enter your business website. So what we'll do is I'll open scaleupconsultants.com. So I'll open this page, go back to Scrum. See, now I'll tell you there's a difference. There's a difference between the index page and the landing page, right? Index pages will give you the overview of a business. And landing page is something which exclusively talk about your products or services, targeted products or services. So this is the difference between index page and landing page. Always remember, index page is not going to give you conversions at all because that gives you the summary about your business, right? But landing page is something that is going to talk about your products or services, exclusive products or services. So this is a core difference between the index page and landing page. So landing page is highly targeted towards your products and services. Okay, so when you're doing a search ads campaign, always make sure that you run the campaign only on the exclusive landing page itself. I hope I'm pretty clear on this. Yeah? Alright? Okay. Okay, click on courses, then click on Professional Scrum Master, PSM1. Okay, copy this landing page. Okay, so what I'll do is I go back to the campaign over here. Yes, search ads. I'll copy the URL. Okay, click on continue. So let's define the campaign name. I say here as Professional Scrum Master Certification Graphic. Control C. Control V. Click on continue. Start new. Now you have to define the bidding strategy. Okay, when you are doing a traffic campaign, here you'll have multiple objectives, right? So first bidding strategy will be conversions. Okay, you conversion value, clicks. But when you are doing a traffic campaign and when you're just starting out with Google search ads campaign, right, first you should always select as clicks. Okay, so let's select clicks here. Okay, okay, now it is asking me set the maximum cost per click bid limit here. Okay, so now what we're going to do is first we will do is we'll go back to keyword planner. Okay, let's open the keyword planner once again. I click on start now. Now I believe I've already explained this to you in my multiple sessions how to access keyword planner. Go to tools, go to planning, in keyword planner. Okay, so I'll write it here once again. Tools, planning, and keyword planner. Alright, here you have two options: discover new keywords, get search volume and forecast as well. Clear? Okay, so first now click on discover new keywords. Okay, so click on discover new keywords over here. Now here you have two options: start with keywords, start with website. Yes. So now what I'll do is I'll go back to Google in incognito mode. Okay, I'll type here as target keyword professional scrum master certification training, or you just type professional scrum master certification. Yeah. Okay, so now what I'll do is I'll go back here and I'll just type the keyword professional scrum master certification. Okay, scroll down here. Now if at all you want to take the long tail keywords, right? Okay, so you Google will also give you the list of long tail keywords here. Okay, so how you can take those? You have to click on people also search for. Go back to Google. In the bottom of the search results, click on people also search for. So Google gives you ideas for your keywords. Okay, it gives you ideas for your keywords which can be used for your business. So we'll say here as professional scrum master certification course. These are long tail keywords. Professional scrum master certification online. We'll say here as okay. Alright, so we'll take two keywords from this particular list over here. I'll copy those two keywords here. Control C. Okay. Control V. Alright. Then here in this section you have to define the location, right? So basically what happened is, let's say you want to target keywords exclusively from Pune, Bombay, Bangalore, any city of the country. You can target the city, or if you want to target India, you can just enter your target country over here as well. So we want to target India, so I'll just say here as India. Okay, then click on get results. Copy the keywords in Google keyword plan. Copy the keywords, the Google keyword planner. Click on get results. So I do that over here. Okay. So now you get the list of the keywords over here. Yes. Wow, this is amazing. So what I'm going to do is I'll download the keywords over here in CSV file. Okay, open the keyword sheet over here. Yeah. So now to set the maximum cost per click bid limit, right? So what you have to do is you have to check this particular bid estimate. Top of page bid high range. Okay, check the bid estimate here. So I'll check this. It is 227.89, right? So let me highlight this over here. So let me check this as well. 150 rupees. we'll see what is the upper limit for the bid range, right? Okay, we'll select this keyword, guys, professional scrum master certification online. You can see the average search volume is just 10, right? But if you could see here, the top of page bid is 207 rupees. So this is commercial intent keyword. This keyword is going to give you inbound lead, very important keyword. So we'll target two keywords in a campaign for now. Okay, yeah, target keywords first is professional scrum master certification. So here we could select the keywords with high search volume and medium competition, and one is with low search volume but bid range is high, right? Okay, and this is professional scrum master certification online. So to decide the maximum click per bid limit, so what you could see here, 227 and 208. So you can take the average of the bid range, okay, divided by 2, so you get it that well. Okay, so for now we'll check it here as 228 rupees as well. 228 maximum CPC bid limit here. Then maximum CPC bid limit is 228 rupees. Then click on next. Correct? So these are the two keywords we are going to target for the campaign. Click on next. Now search network. Select search network. Select include Google search partners. So uncheck display network. Okay, so uncheck this particular option over here. Okay, then you have to select your locations as well. Select locations. Okay, India. I love my India. Alright, so let's do that. Okay, select languages, English. Okay, now it is gonna ask me some options here. Okay, broad match keywords work with smart bidding strategy. Broad match keyword is gonna help you to reach your campaign goals using broad match keywords for your entire campaign. This ensures consistency and provide access to additional settings such as brand restrictions as well. Okay, so for now here, so it is telling me to use broad match keywords, switch to conversion or conversion value based bidding strategy. Okay, so we are gonna use keyword match types here. Alright, so this is very important here. Use keyword match types, then automatically created a set here, right? So you have to select this. Use my content from a landing page, domain, and ads in combination with assets I provide. Customize assets based on relevance for my keywords here. So you have to on this option, turn on this particular option here, turn on use my content from my landing page, domain, and ads in combination with assets I provide. Yes. Click on more settings. Ad rotations, you can say optimize, prefer best performing ads. Start date, end date, it's okay if you do not define the end date here. As scheduled all day for now because no brand restrictions. Okay, then click on next. Now we are here on keyword and asset generation page here. Give me a second, guys. Okay, yeah. Okay, so I am gonna continue on keyword and asset generation page here. So you can see here. So this is the role of AI, right? Where will people go when they click your ad? Okay, so they'll go on Professional Scrum Master certification page. What makes you upload? So this has actually picked the information from your landing page here, right? Okay. So see, we provide Professional Scrum Masters training discounts. A 16 hours course taught by Professional Scrum Master trainer leads to a certification process and PSM1 certification. You might be wondering, sir, from how did I get this content, sir? Then what happened is you will get to know that this content is being fetched from your landing page. And this is how you're gonna use AI in your Google Ads. Yes, what is AI? Artificial intelligence. This is the role of ChatGPT, Copilot, Claude.ai, Google Gemini. There are multiple tools out there which you can use it to your advantage. Yes, clear, guys? So now we are gonna click on generate. See, now we will create ad groups. Now let's create ad groups. Okay, so these are specifically generated keywords here. So it is telling me no keyword found for this particular URL. Yes, so we have to create the ad group here. Okay, so now what we'll do is we'll select two keywords here. We selected which keywords here. Let's do that. See, these are the keywords we are going to select for the campaign here. Okay, so today's campaign structure will be today's campaign structure will be one campaign, one ad group, and two ads, and we will be targeting different match types. Okay, so now we will be targeting all the three keyword match types in the campaigns. We will be targeting what are those, you might be wondering. First is broad match, next is phrase match, next is exact match, right? So now we'll take these two keywords here first. First create the batch of keywords. Now let's create the batch of keywords based on the keyword match types, right? Okay, So this is called, let's bifurcate. This is broad match. Copy this. This is phrase match. Copy this. I take it to square brackets. This is exact match. Okay. Broad match, phrase match, and exact match. Alright, so let's do that over here. Okay, so this is broad match. Copy this keyword again. This is phrase match. This is exact match. Okay, alright. For now, we will remove this landing page URL. Okay, let's remove the landing page URL for here. Okay, so the first one, broad match, phrase match, exact match, broad match, phrase match, and exact match keywords which we are targeting in the campaign here, right? So now we have to enter the final URL, so that's being integrated. Okay, so then enter the display path. Now you have to enter the display path, right? Okay, yeah. So now we'll do that. So now if you want to enter the display path, what is important here? Copy this URL over here. Your keyword has to be there in your display path. Your keyword has to be integrated in the display path, right? Okay, so we integrated the pop-up box over here. Okay, all right. So now you could see what keywords have been integrated here. PSM certification. Okay, so this is the keyword here. So let's do that. PSM certification. Okay, now scroll down. Let's add the call option. Now let's add the call option here. Click on plus calls. Click on plus calls. Okay, we'll select the option here 9850994515. Click on apply. Alright, so for now we will not integrate the lead form over here as of now. Now we will write headlines. Yes, and now we are going to use AI to create ad copies. Yes, Now we will use AI to create ad copies. Okay, yes, now I would ask all of you to please open ChatGPT. Please open ChatGPT. Okay, now you are on ChatGPT page, correct? So now we will use two things over here. Okay, first is we will use manual prompts, and then second one we will use automatic prompts, right? Okay, we will use manual prompts in ChatGPT, and we will also use automated prompts in ChatGPT. So what is a manual prompt? Let's write the prompt here. So I suggest that if you want best output from ChatGPT, what is very important is you have to use prompt very intellectually. Okay, your prompt has to be very detailed, precise, and you have to tell ChatGPT what is the output you are expecting. If you write a single word line, how to generate lead with Google Ads, no, this is not going to work. You have to give references to ChatGPT. You have to tell ChatGPT, hey ChatGPT, you have to help me to create this headlines in such a way so that it's gonna help me generate inbound lead for my particular product or service. Yes. Okay. So now we'll write a manual prompt. Act as if you are an experienced Google Ads specialist with 20 years of work experience. I want you to generate 20 headlines in 30 characters and 20 descriptions in 90 characters for what is the target keyword here? Enter the target keyword here. What is the target keyword? Let's go up. It is professional Scrum Master certification. Okay, for professional Scrum Master certification, I want you to integrate the CTAs in the headlines and descriptions. I want you to write headlines and descriptions in such a way so that we start getting inbound leads for professional Scrum Master certification training. So this is okay. So you have to write this prompt here. Now copy this prompt here. Your prompt has to be very logical as well. Okay. I open ChatGPT here. See, this is how it is. This is called a manual prompt. So now this is gonna help me generate headlines here. See, this is one way you can do this. Copy, copy in your notepad here. Okay. So now we will do make use of AI PRM. Now let's make use of AI PRM to create ad copies for Google search ads. Yeah, alright. Okay, now go back to ChatGPT here. So let's open ChatGPT once again. So now let's use AI PRM to your advantage as well. Okay. Now you have to go back to the search of AI PRM. Click on search over here and just enter Google search ads. So here you will have multiple options: Google Ads, keyword headline generator to boost quality score and search impression share, keyword strategy, Google search ad generator. Okay, alright, and then we have Google Ads description. So we'll take for now Google Ads keyword headline generator. First we will generate headlines here to boost quality scores. Okay, let's do this. So it is gonna ask me enter your target URL. So we have to enter the target URL. It is Google Ads keyword headline generator to boost quality scores and search impression share. So this is the role of ChatGPT here, AI PRM. Okay, now what we will do is scroll up, copy this URL, Control C over here, okay, then copy the target URL, square brackets, copy, enter. So you get these headlines, my dear loving students. Yes, and this is the magic. Wow, this is amazing. Don't you think so? Yes. AI PRM is doing the job for you, my dear friends. You just have to use the prompt correctly. All is done. Your Google Ads is done pretty efficiently with ChatGPT. Yes, just copy this over here. Okay, now we will enter these keywords here. Let's take first get PSM certified. Get PSM certified. Control V. We say Master Scrum. Next is boost your career. Okay. The virtual online training. So let's take some important headlines over here. We'll say yes, professional scrum. We'll say ACE PSM exam. Certified success. top Scrum course. Copy this. Control V. We'll say as PSM certification. See as Scrum leadership. Okay. Now you have to pin certain keywords here. So here we have PSM certification, PSM1 certification. Let's try some different headlines here. We'll see as career upgrade, or we'll see as elevate skills. This should not sound repeated. Elevate skills here. Okay. So now let's do one thing. First is PSM certification here. This is important here. Get PSM certified. Show ad. Okay, so it is telling me now it's coming in different position here, right? Okay. We'll see here as PSM certification position 1. Let's do some testing here. 1 second. Then enroll now. Okay, enroll now. Is PSM exam. Okay. Get PSM certified. Okay, then master Scrum. You see as professional Scrum. Next is best Scrum trainer. Next is certified success. Yeah. Okay. So this is done here. Now we will enter the descriptions here. Okay. Master Scrum techniques with our PSM certification course. Copy this. Get certified and advance your career with PSM training. Okay. Achieve professional growth with a Scrum Master. Will take pass the PSM exams and lead projects effectively. Okay. Alright, so we'll take one more. Okay. So now what we'll do is we'll get some ideas from ChatGPT. So we'll click on regenerate here. So it's gonna give us some new ideas here. Okay, so now we can try to get some new ideas. Or what we can do is you can try a different AI. Copy this over here, Control C. Okay, now open Copilot. Okay, I open Copilot here, Control V, enter. So you have ideas. So I like the first one, get ahead with a professional Scrum Master certification training. Okay, so let's do that. Wow, professional Scrum Master certification is just a click away. Enroll now. This is nice. Let's copy this. Okay, I go back to ads. Yeah, professional Scrum Master certification is just a click away. Enroll now. So now, first we'll pin this. Okay, we'll also pin this as well. Try to pin this as well. You see here as CTA registered now for PSM certification training. We can add something like that for register now. That's it. Okay, get certified with your, we can say here as sign up now. Full stop. You can add multiple CTAs. Okay. Here you will see here as pass the CSO exam and lead projects effectively. Enroll now. Okay. Alright. So now what you can do is you can check the preview of your ads here. Correct? See. This is how you'll see the preview of your ad. Enroll now, we are upcoming schedule. So we'll say something interesting. Best PSM training or you know sign up now. Click to learn more. So we'll add some CTA here. So now we'll try some more combinations here. So I'll go back to Claude.ai. We'll try the same prompt here, right? Okay, so this is how you have to keep testing with different AI tools when you are actually creating ad copies, right? Okay, so enter Claude. So here we have so many options, my dear friends. Yes, yeah, that's interesting. Professional Scrum Master. So you go back to Google, enter the target keyword. Okay, what do you see here? Professional Scrum Master. Correct? So now what I'll do is instead of professional scrum, I'll see here as professional scrum master. Okay, so this is how you get ideas from your competitor ads, right? So one more thing what we can do is let's just sign out. Today's offer, get flat 20% off. Today's you have to write offer in your ad copies. Get flat 20% off. Now let's see if this works. So it is telling me, yeah. So see, today's offer. Today offers get flat 20% off. So now what you have to do is, in case you are getting a character limit error, right? Go back to Copilot. Just write the prompt here. Write this text in 30 characters or less. Okay. See, it will do the modifications for you. See, got it? So today's offer 20% off. So this is how GPT can be of help to you, my dear friends. Yeah. Okay. So we'll pin this here as well. We will not pin this for now. We will say show any recommended position as well. Okay. So here. Okay. Let's try to show this in any position. Okay, and the ad strength is excellent. Alright, I hope I'm pretty clear on this. Now you can add images. So just give me a minute, guys. I'll be back and then I show you how you can use AI to create beautiful images. 1 second, I'll be back. Hey guys, I'm back. So I hope you have made notes and you are doing the practical side by side as well. Now, today I'm going to tell you the amazing tool here. Okay, so how you can add images here, right? Now, after the ad copies are created with headlines and descriptions, we have to add images. Okay, so we'll click on plus, add images, click on plus, add images here. Okay, so now we'll open one website here. I'm going to tell you the amazing tool, right? Okay, it's ideogram.ai. Please bookmark this URL. Okay, now it's gonna ask me what do you want to create. I'll say professional scrum master certification training. Just enter your target keyword, click on search. Okay, see guys, this is an amazing tool. You'll really love it. It's fantastic tool. Wow, this is amazing, and it's gonna give us some interesting images as well. Yes, yay! So you should please use this tool. So let's copy this image here. Yes, I click on download. PSM training dot jpg. Okay, copy this. PSM training 1, all files dot jpg 2, see here as. Now we'll take one more keyword here. We'll just type professional scrum master certification here. Let's see what happens. Okay, so we have to wait for 22 seconds. The countdown starts. Wow, this is gonna be interesting. Yes, so you have a certification, Professor Samasa certification, correct? So just save this image here. Okay, so this is done. So you save this image here as downloads, all files. Yeah, PSM training 2 dot jpg. Okay, yeah. All right, now I'll go back to Google Ads. So what I'm going to do is you have to click on upload, upload from a computer. I'll say yes, PSM training. So this format is not allowed, right? So what you have to do is, first thing is if you're getting these type of errors, go back to MS Paint here. Okay, Open file in MS Paint, open PSM training, file, save as JPG, okay, save, okay, then open PSM training 1, file menu, click on save as JPG, click on OK. Next, you have to open new file, PSM training 2, JPG, okay, click on save, yes, okay, this is done. Okay, so now click on plus images, click on upload. Okay, so close this, upload from your computer, PSM training. Yeah, this is getting added here. Click on plus. Okay, file upload, PSM training 1. Okay, then click on plus, file upload, PSM training 2. Alright, okay, then click on save. So we have 3 images which are being integrated. Okay, enter the business name. Once you have added the images, you have to enter the business name right here as scale up private limited, business logo. Then you have to add the business logo as well, add the business logo as well. Now you have to add site links. We have to add 4 site links here. We have to add 4 site links over here. Okay, click on plus site links. Alright, okay, so now let's get some ideas from our core competitors. How are they are actually adding site links? This session is getting lengthy, guys, so I'm thankful to you for your patience. Let's add site links here. Okay, go back to Google, enter target keyword PSM certification. So what you can see here, let's see where are the site links here. Okay, so these are the site links here, right? Okay, these are called as site links. Okay, so this is one of our core competitor, World of Agile. This is site links. This is the call now asset here. So these are the site links which we need to add now. Yes. Okay, so now we'll click on create. So now first thing is we'll go back to scale up consultants. See how the first thing you need to understand whenever you are running a Google search ads campaign, right? Okay, first thing what you have to understand is you have to understand the nature of business. What is the business all about? What are the core competitors all about? first understand the business in detail. Okay, so that's very important, my dear friends. Okay, I go back here, say professional scrum master. Okay, so now we'll add the site links here. Okay, here it is. Okay, 15th or 16th of June we have enroll now. Okay, now you can use ChatGPT, or let's use Gemini for here. Now let us use Google Gemini to create site link information. Okay, copy the URL over here first. Okay, prompt: act as if you are an experienced Google Ads specialist with 20 years of work experience. I want you to create site link text in 25 characters, description line 1 in 35 characters, description line 2 in 35 characters. Okay, and target URL is this. Okay, just copy this prompt and see what happens. Copy this prompt here, see what you get. If you want to see other drafts over here, let's see. Yeah, Scrum Master PSM certified. Scrum Master PSM. So that's coming in Gemini as CRT. "26 characters." So we'll see here as one word. Okay. Description line 1, we'll see here as become agile leader. Or we can say enroll now for PSM. Okay. Best PSM online course. Best PSM online course. Okay, click on create. Right? So the first sighting is created. Now we have to create 3 more sightings. Okay? Yeah? Click on create. Let's create for contact us because we want to increase the CTA. Right. So now what I'll do is I'll copy this URL. I'll change it here. Okay. Copy this. Now go back to ChatGPT. ChatGPT is going to do the job for you. Okay. So copy this over here. Control C. Control V. So, wow, this is nice. Book a consultation. You should add CTA in your site link text. Then add description line 1. So ChatGPT is going to help you with this. Expert advice for your business. Okay. Schedule a session now. Yeah, this is done. Okay, click create. Yeah, this is 2. Now we'll create third one. Okay, so we'll create for blogs. So let's do that as well. Okay, Control V. Copy the same prompt over here. Control C. Control V. Okay, let's say read our blogs. I'll say here as read our blogs. Okay, I'll copy this URL over here. Final URL, I'll copy this here. Then you can copy the description as well. Then you can say practical advice for growth. And you can say improve your strategy. Improve your strategy. Click on create. Okay, so we have added 3 site links. So we'll add one more. So let's see which one we can add. Scrum practice test. So we'll create this. Free Scrum quiz. Okay, so let's go back to this particular file. Copy this prompt. ChatGPT. So this is going to give you ideas, right? Okay, so now what I'll do is click on create, copy the final URL, control C, control V, then you have to add the file here, free scrum practice test, free scrum practice test over here, then prepare for certification, then what you can do is test your knowledge now. Okay, then click on create. So we have 4 sightings created: free scrum practice test, read our blogs, book a consultation, enroll now for PSM. Click on save. Okay, so we are done for now. Okay, and then you click on next. So it's gonna ask me the budget for this. I'll say set custom budget. I'll see here as 1300 rupees per day. So let's see. Okay, so we'll keep a custom budget here as 1300 rupees per day. So estimated clicks 2477, average CPC 3.68, weekly cost is this. Okay, so now you could see what this is going to tell me: your budget is lower than other advertiser budget, which may affect performance. Try raising it to at least this. Okay, so in this particular case you have to go as per the Google recommendation always. So if Google is giving you the recommendation, try to do this. Okay, let's keep the recommendation as 4419. Okay, yeah, so 4419 is the recommendation Google is giving us, right? So now we will follow the Google recommendation. Yeah, okay, 4419, click on next here. So this is done. So campaign will be published in some time. So once again guys, so I have to confirm the campaign. Just give me a second please. So now I click on confirm here. It's gonna get me the message over here as well. Yes, it's me, 70. So this is done. So it will be published in some time. Okay, so Google will publish the campaign sometime guys, and you just have to wait for a few minutes. The campaign will go live. Alright, I hope I'm pretty clear on this. Okay, so now with this I'll end my today's session, but one more important thing I would like to add here, right? So now you might be wondering, sir, I want to generate 100 leads per day. So which keyword you're going to target here? What is the calculation of the keyword here? See, you have to define your estimates here, right? So it's 52.59 if you're bidding a low page range. Okay, 52.59 if you're bidding for first position, that's 228 rupees. correct? So now let's say if you want 100 leads per day, right? Okay, I open minimum cost, low range in first position, that's 52.59. So you multiply by 200. Okay, so what is the calculation here? You say open calculator, 52.59 multiplied by 200. So that's 10,000 rupees. Okay, 10,508, right? Okay, 200 clicks, 10,508. That's 200 clicks here. This is the cost per click. This is the CPC, and this is multiplied by 200 clicks. Okay, so this is the amount you are spending, right? Now for 200 clicks, okay, so we have to assume, okay, minimum 200 clicks, 10,508. This is the actual spent you have to come up, correct? Now you want you want to estimate a conversion ratio, right? Okay, so let's say if you want, out of 200 clicks you're getting 10,508. So ideally, the conversion varies from business to business, right? So your conversion ratio starts varying from 10 to 15% here. So you have to play with numbers, right? Okay, so now your conversion will vary on how active you are on a live chat. Your conversion will vary on a landing page optimization. You continuously have to keep on optimizing a landing page. Your conversion will vary on optimizing your ad copies. So this is a process which you need to apply so that you get maximum inbound leads. Okay, so ideally this is the logic, this is the process you have to apply to generate quality 100 inbound lead, okay, for your business using Google search ads. All right, clear? Okay, well, with this I end my today's session. I hope you found it valuable. Thank you so much for valuable time, my dear friends. With this I'll conclude. Okay, thank you, have a wonderful day. Bye bye.